Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add videos to your Big Cartel website, so let's get right into it. Now, Big Cartel is a bit tricky to use in this regard since you do need to add third-party embeds into your store since well, they don't support the additions of those certain items, such as videos. You can add images in certain places, however, that is also a bit tricky, and it doesn't have the UI such as Shopify, or I don't know, Squarespace, or even uh, whichever other services there are. I forgot exactly which ones they are. However, what you want to do to actually embed it is create a widget from a third party, and then to actually embed it, go into account, and then you need to go into shop design, click go to shop designer, and once you're there, you'll be able to set everything up. You need to go into code. Here you'll have the integration code, which you can use to integrate all of your embeds which you might need. And once you're there, you do need a subscription for this, by the way, but once you're here, you'll be able to click here to add the integration code, and I do recommend you add it in a separate page than your products page, simply because it's nicer to look at. You can add it here if you want, however, I won't be the judge of that. You do whatever you want to do. You can also add custom CSS code, which might allow you to add some animations and integrate them. That is even available in the free plan. However, if you want to integrate the videos, you do need a paid plan. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.